Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking for what each one of the chests have. The presents, sorry. Cause today's Christmas. So the first one is a camera that you can move around and stuff. You can look through it. Which is pretty cool. And also, if you're a computer, this will be way easier for you. The blue present here is also a camera. So, you could, kind of like a security camera in a way. So, it would be pretty cool to have, in a kind of police boat if you had one. But my favorite things are these. Basically, the green present has these really cool green wheels. I made a car, but it doesn't work that well. So basically, if you had a lot of the green and red presents, you'd have way more than me right now, because I only have 29 and 33. So I will build a card so you can see how fast it is right now. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with the car, and I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'm just gonna launch. And I put a pilot seat instead of an actual. I'm just gonna reset and load it back in. Okay, so yeah, I accidentally put in the wrong type of seat. And also somewhere I had something and I wanted to show you guys. I think it's in there. Yeah. So here, the candy cane things, they're pretty cool because it actually has two parts. It has the actual javelin thing that you can throw, but also has the harpoon. So this is if you've done the quest. It's not here anymore. But if you've done if you did the quest with the if you did the winter quest, then you would know about the harpoon the guys throw at you. And yeah, so basically it shoots two, I think. I'm not completely sure, but it's really cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna save this, and then I'm gonna test this out again. So it doesn't work. Are they glitched? Okay, well, I do not know why it's not working. I'll be right back. Okay, hi, I am back again, and hopeful. Okay, so for some reason, the wheels are kind of turning. I don't know why it's not working. So I guess this isn't. I don't know if Chothrill has to fix this, or yeah. Also, when you put down the cameras next to a pilot seat, let me show you. It's connected. I'll show you. Basically, so I don't know if they're called cameras. Okay, they are. See how it's showing it's connected. But if you, for example, you launch, it's So if you press this target button, it shows that it's kind of taking the video. Oh, so maybe that's what it's for. Pretty cool. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Bye!